Patris et Filii Spiritus Sancto. Amen.
No! Athos! 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 You have no right to respect my own. You are my enemies, and you are my peers. I still remember this day how all the shameless acts of that one Crisostomo Ibarra began. And is the previous lessons I learned. But this is fun. Think, think, think. Yes, I will destroy him. I will forget all the things that I can. Oh, I do not want nothing. Wait, wait. What is this news I heard? That my Maria was longing and sorrowful. My beloved Maria Clara, my only child, forgive me, for I was not even know what I did. Therefore, I can do and fairly but this. My God, forgive me for what I will do. Please do not involve my innocent child. Now, you be the judge. And I assure you, I am the only one and most powerful man in San Diego.